ISIMET is the leading manufacturer of utility control systems in the United States. Founded in 2000 and designed for America, ISIMET offers a full line of utility controllers for schools, drug testing labs, commercial kitchens, fire stations, and school wood shops. The purpose of this video is to explain ISIMET's LAV2 utility controller that is used primarily in school science labs. The LAV2 allows the instructor to determine which utilities are active throughout the day and prevents unauthorized access to utilities, thus preventing accidents and vandalism. All controlled utilities remain in the off state until the instructor turns the utilities on. So why is it important to control access to gas, water, and electricity? Lab gas leaks can cause explosions. And according to Tufts University, 67% of lab fires are caused by electricity. Finally, damage from unauthorized water flow can result in millions of dollars of property damage. ISIMET's LAV2 allows the instructor to determine when the utilities are accessible and is programmed to disable utilities when the lab is not in use, preventing accidents and vandalism. The ISIMET LAV2 features one or two switches. The school decides which one or two utilities control: gas, water, electricity, or fan. Gas is the most frequently controlled utility. The LAV2 features a programmable timer with keyed access that automatically turns off utilities when not in use, thereby reducing the opportunity for vandalism, accidents, or unauthorized access. It has all-metal construction with tamper-resistant screws. The ISIMET LAV2 features a large ADA-compliant emergency button that can shut off the controlled utilities and turn on the exhaust fan in the event of an emergency. The LAV2 has been designed to integrate with building energy management systems to notify the proper authorities of an emergency or a panic state. And after an emergency, the utilities always default to off until an authorized user reactivates the system. The LAV2 is easy to use. It's available in keyed and non-keyed options. The keyed option is recommended for science classrooms. Utilities are enabled by simply pressing the switches to on and pushing the button or turning the key. When the LED illuminates green, the chosen utilities are activated. The red LEDs clearly indicate why utilities are disabled. The standard reasons for disabled utilities include emergency shutoff via the panic button, timer or system override in case of a fire alarm or when the system times out. And there are two optional diagnostic LEDs. Gas pressure tests failed when used in conjunction with a gas pressure transmitter, and gas leak detection when used with ISIMET's fuel gas sensor to detect gas leaks. The red lights enable you to diagnose the source of the problem, which allows users to quickly resolve the issue. Additionally, the LAV2 is easy to install. Have an electrician run a 15-amp dedicated circuit to the LAV2. It utilizes pluggable terminal blocks to reduce installation time. There are two versions of the LAV2, high voltage and low voltage. Each has unique benefits. The high voltage LAV2 uses 120 volts to control either one or two of the outputs. The low voltage LAV2 is powered by standard line voltage and provides its own low voltage 24-volt direct current where electrician is not required. Utilizing low voltage reduces the total install cost and provides a few other added benefits to include reduced wiring sizes and regulations, no fuses, short circuit protection in case of a short circuit, faulty wiring, or defective solenoid with an automatic reset. Additional features of the ISIMET LAV2 worth noting are it can be flush mounted or surface mounted, it's UL listed, and complies with the International Fuel Gas Code and the National Fire Protection Association Safety Code and Standards. ISIMET integrates seamlessly with many optional components including the S-Series gas and water enclosure, the E-Series electrical enclosure, a gas pressure transmitter, fuel gas sensor, and many others. And ISIMET products ship fully assembled, ready to install. The LAV2 allows the instructor to control one or two utilities in science labs. It allows the instructor to determine when the utilities are available, and includes safety features to prevent gas explosions, water damage, and electrical fires. It's easy to use and helps keep students, teachers, and facilities safe. It's manufactured by ISIMET, the #1 producer of utility controllers in the USA.